Hi, my name is Christy. Welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing video for you. It is still from the same company, that mystery scrap fabric box from Fabrics Universe. Yeah. Again, I went for the extra large box, and the reason I went for the same company instead of trying a new one is because I found out that you can do some requests. So instead of winding up with a box full of neon like I did last time, I like neon, I don't love neon. I am hoping that since I put in a request for please no more neon, please, I don't want to make any more 80s videos, I'm tapped out. I've also put in the request for I'm okay with prints, because there was no prints in the last one too. I like that everything was stretchy in the last box, so that was good. I put in those 3 requests. They cannot guarantee it, so let's see how we did. So it arrived, again, record time, only like a few days after I ordered it. It was like $36 after shipping for the extra large box. You can't go wrong with this. Seriously, this is, well, we'll see. We'll see what's actually in it, if it's a good deal. Here's the box. It's the extra large box. If you remember from my unboxing video last time, I had a really difficult time opening it. So I came prepared with upgraded tools. So let's see, I have a butcher's knife. I can, or this terrifying looking knife that is rolling around in our house. This is our security system. I found a drill. As much fun as this is gonna be, I don't think it's gonna do anything, so sorry. And last but not least, yeah! This is the most dangerous tool I'm allowed to use. And you know what, I didn't bring an extension cord, so I guess I'm gonna have to go with scissors. Sorry guys. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what's in this box and see if they were able to honor any of my requests. All right. Fingers crossed. Let's see what's in here. So it says large mailing box. I ordered the extra large mailing box. Thank you. Oh geez, I'm still having issues. Oh, all right. Prints. Right off the bat, we got some prints. Okay. Oh, it wasn't tried that time. Okay. All right. First thing, it's a print. It's a print. Okay. This is, ooh, actually it says like swimsuit material. That's kind of cool. I like this. All right, so it's maybe like a yard of this cool fall looking like swimsuit scuba material. So far so good. Next, we have some bullet fabric. I got a lot of this last time and I found out that it's called bullet fabric. So brown. I didn't have brown in the last one, so that's cool. Again, this is another, I'm terrible with measurements, so it's this much. Brown bullet fabric, so that's cool. Ooh, it's like a mesh. Maybe I could pair this with the scuba material for a swimsuit and make a matching pair for my husband. He'll love it. Or I might just have to make another 80s video. More prints. Okay, all right, so far they are definitely honoring my request. Everything is stretchy. And what was the other thing? Oh, no neon. So yeah, I don't think this is really neon. It's bright, but it's not neon. So this is truly a scrap, but it would like make a lovely top. I kind of like it. I like that. Floral, it's always good. Oh, okay. This feels weird. I don't know what kind of material this is. It is a print. It's stretchy. This might be more of, it feels, okay, I think it's the same material. This pink, I kind of like this pattern. I don't know, the more I'm looking at it, I like it. It's not like plaid, but it's like a subtle plaid. So far, this is going really well. All right. Okay, so this, okay, I spoke too soon. This is a very odd color. It's like a beige material, that bullet fabric again. But you know what, I've used some of the bullet fabric that I got in my last box as like lining. So you know what, this might just need to be lining. More prints. Oh, and this is more of the scuba stuff. I'm gonna have so many bathing suits. It's gonna be great. These are scrap fabrics. It's very true. These are scraps. They are not full bolts of fabric. So this one has an odd kind of cutout in it, but still quite a bit of it. So I'm liking this. Okay, I almost said so far so good, which I know I just said because I jinxed it last time. I'm not even looking into the next one. I'm not even gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna reach in and pull it out. Yeah, see, this is what happens when I start praising. And then I get a mustard yellow bullet fabric. All right, you know, this isn't so bad. So it's a really interesting fabric because it has like a texture to it, but it's stretchy, like 4-way stretch, so that's good. If you've watched some of my videos before, you saw that I made a lot of workout wear with this kind of fabric, which worked out for my workout wear. The jokes don't get better. I can live with this. It's not exactly my color. Maybe it is. We'll see what I can make from that. Back to some more prints. Again, it's that same stretchy kind of swimsuit material. It's kind of pretty. Nice floral design. Again, everything is stretchy, so they're definitely honoring my requests. Lots of prints, stretchy, and no neon. There's some neon factors to some of these fabrics, but it's not full-on neon. Ooh, ooh. It's like silky. I like this one. It's just navy, but it has like a sheen to it. Like a nice, and it's stretchy again. So far, Fabrics Universe, you were doing a really good job. More prints continue. Love polka dots. Oh wow, this is truly a scrap. Well, this is definitely gonna have to be a creative one to see what I can create out of this, because it is literally a scrap, but a kind of a cool pattern. And this one, it's just like a knit, so not a swimsuit. All right, okay, some more scraps. More scrap fabric. I like all these prints though. So far, I'm really liking these prints. These are gonna make some nice tops or tank tops or scarves. If you have an idea what I can make from all of these scraps, please let me know in the comments. Okay, this is black, just kind of like a jersey knit fabric. I like it. Really not much more you can say about that. Whoa, oh, whoa, all right, okay. Wow, there's a lot of this. There is a lot of this. It is a red, oh, it's like snakeskin pattern. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like this. I'm just imagining like all of the pants, all the snakeskin pants I can get from this. Maybe like a jumpsuit. No, I'm not gonna do that, so don't even try. No, this is actually really cool. I've been kind of digging like animal prints recently, so neat. All right, this is going well. This is going well, and yeah, I kind of jinxed it again. It's a weird sort of peachy bullet fabric. It's kind of like a peachy yellow. It's not bad, just not great. Okay, more bullet, but purple this time. Light purple, and a lot of it again. Okay, this is better. If I flip it to the other side. Has anybody ever done that? Have you flipped bullet to the other side where it's kind of smoother? Still a little textured. It's like waffly. Love to make like a skirt or a dress or something. And I mean, I can do what I want, so maybe I'll just do it anyways. Ooh, this is kind of cool. This one's kind of cool. I like it. Oh, it's more distressed. I got like a pink one in the last box, so now I have a matching blue one. So maybe I can put them together and make something. I saw this on the other side first, and I didn't realize it was distressed, but it has like these patches on it. But then there's distressed on the other side. This box is like 100 times even better than the last one. Wow, this is heavy. There's a lot of this fabric, a ton of it. And again, like these are kind of cool patterns. I'm digging this. It's kind of that same like scuba, but it's thick. So that's good. Like I feel like I could, I don't know, I feel like I can make something really cool out of this. Stay tuned. Ooh, oh, I have no idea what this is. It feels like Is this like white pleather? I think it is. Ooh. Okay, yeah, and sometimes they have like weird stains on it. This one has some yellow marker. I'm hoping it's marker. It's yellow. You never know what yellow stains are. Oh, there's more of it too. Okay, here's just another of the exact same. It's really stretchy. It's like, it's literally, it feels like pleather. It's a little thin now, so I'm gonna have to double layer that. And, okay, this is the last one. It's blue, just like a knit. It's, yeah, it's stretchy. It's just like a royal blue fabric. All right, guys, I'm pretty impressed. This was a good choice. Okay, so if you're interested in getting some fabric, I mean, it's really cheap. This cost me like $36 after shipping, and it arrived really quickly from Fabrics Universe. Fabric's not cheap, so this is a great way to get some really cool fabric. And apparently you can put in some requests. So that's awesome. I will definitely buy from them again in the future. I'm not sponsored by them. If you're a beginner sewer like me, I'm still a beginner and don't want to experiment on really expensive fabric, this is a great way to do it. And just try it out. Just see what you can make. Hopefully you'll be inspired by some of the things that I make with this box, and stay tuned. Thanks for sticking it out with me to the end. I'm so excited. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Oh, it's really heavy. It's really heavy. It's a lot of stuff. Look at all this. Still more. Oh, I'm gonna work out lifting all this. Look at this. There's so much stuff. More. Oh. Legit covered in fabric.